A modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is, likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, or advice. In English, the modal verbs commonly used are can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, ought to, had better, have to, and sometimes need or dare. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are special verbs which behave very differently from normal verbs. Here are some important differences. Modal verbs do not take S in third person. Example, he can speak Chinese. ये चाइनीज़ बोल सकता है. He should be there by 9. इसको 9 बजे तक वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. You use not to make modal verbs negative, even in simple present tense or simple past. Examples, he should not be late. इसको देर नहीं करनी चाहिए. They might not come to the party. वो हो सके पार्टी पे ना आए. Many modal verbs cannot be used in the past tense or future tenses. Example, he will can go with us. It is not correct. Common modal verbs are can, ought to, could, shall, may, should, might, will, must, would. We might be able to win, but I don't think we have a good chance. इस जुमले में might और may इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. इसकी मीनिंग क्या होगी? हो सके हम ये जीत जाएं, मगर मैं नहीं समझता कि हमारे पास एक अच्छा चांस है. That can't be John. He said he was going to travel to Australia. ये जॉन नहीं हो सकता. उसने कहा था कि वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ट्रेवलिंग करने जा रहा है. When I was younger, I could sing very well. जब मैं जवान था तो मैं अच्छी तरह से गा सकता था. I think you should relax more. You have been working too much lately. मैं समझता हूँ कि तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. तुम बहुत देर से काम कर रहे हो. I may ask you to help me later, or I might ask you to help me later. क्या तुम मेरी बाद में मदद कर सकते हो? She must have left the house quietly. I didn't hear her. वो खामोशी से घर से चली गई होगी. मैंने उनको नहीं सुना. You don't need to go shopping this weekend. We've got everything at home. तुम्हें इस हफ्ते शॉपिंग के लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए. हमारे पास हर चीज़ घर में पड़ी है. You can't go in without ticket. All seats are reserved. तुम टिकट के बगैर अंदर नहीं जा सकते. सारी सीट्स बुक हैं. All passengers must put on their seat belts during takeoff and landing. सारे मुसाफिरों को अपना सीट बेल्ट बांधना चाहिए. At what age can you get a driving license in your country? You needn't have water the plants. Dad has already done it. तुम्हें पौधों को पानी नहीं देना चाहिए था क्योंकि डैड ने पहले ही पानी दे दिया है। In the US, a young man needn't join the army. It is voluntary. I promise I will stop smoking. Mom, can you pass me the sugar, please? Mom, could you pass me the sugar, please? If you want to be a teacher, you must attend a teachers training college. अगर तुम्हें टीचर बनना है तो तुम्हें ज़रूर टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग हासिल करनी चाहिए। They must have taken the wrong train, otherwise they would be here by now. उन्होंने ज़रूर गलत ट्रेन पकड़ी होगी, दूसरी सूरत में वो इस वक्त यहाँ पे होते। You should have taken my advice and gone to the doctor. Your cold is not going to get better if you wait. तुम्हें मेरी एडवाइस माननी चाहिए थी और तुम्हें डॉक्टर की तरफ जाना चाहिए था। You mustn't park in a no parking area. It is forbidden. I might go to the cinema to watch a movie, but I'm not sure. I may go to the cinema to watch a movie, but I'm not sure. हो सके आज मैं सिनेमा पे मूवी देखने जाऊं। I must finish this by the end of the week. I must complete the assignment on time. You must tell me what happened. तुम्हें ज़रूर बताना चाहिए कि क्या हुआ। You must have medical training for this job. You must know about computers for this position. इस पोजीशन हासिल करने के लिए तुम्हें कंप्यूटर आना चाहिए। She must tell the truth to the court. He must know what she did. They must spend a lot of money on clothes. They must never find out the truth. It must hurt to get a shot. It must be tiring having to work all day. You should quit smoking. तुम्हें स्मोकिंग छोड़नी चाहिए। You should try to see it. तुम्हें इसको देखना चाहिए। We should be very careful. हमें बहुत खबरदार होना चाहिए। What should I feed my dog? मुझे अपने कुत्ते को क्या खिलाना चाहिए? When should I feed my dog? You should take my advice. You should tell the truth. I should have come earlier. मुझे थोड़ा सवेरे आना चाहिए था। I should have left earlier. मुझे पहले जाना चाहिए था। Should I wait for you here? क्या मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार यहाँ पे करूँ? We should always obey laws. हमें अपने कानून को हमेशा ओबे करना चाहिए। We should give up smoking. हमें स्मोकिंग छोड़नी चाहिए। I should not have said this. ये मुझे कहना नहीं चाहिए था। Should I reply to his letter? क्या मुझे इस खत का जवाब देना चाहिए? You should go. You should sleep. How should I know? मुझे ये कैसे जाना चाहिए? Where should we go? You should know it. What should I bring? You should exercise. What should I do now? You should apologize. तुम्हें माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। You should work hard. This should be plenty. You should stay in bed. You should have done so. तुम्हें ऐसे ही करना चाहिए.